So you might be in a situation where for some reason your iPad's power button is just being very weird and it's just not working out for you. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to just go through and just double check the power button where it's, located and just want to go through and kind of see what's going on. Sometimes you might just have to go through and just kind of mess around with it a little bit, maybe click it into place a little bit more. Things like that, random things like that can end up fixing the problem, and that's pretty much the starting point what I'd recommend doing. Now, if this power button is supposed to be working, you also need to understand that the iPad, to basically power it down, you don't actually hold down on the power button, you hold down a different set of keys. So if you're trying to go through and power down your iPad, what you're going to have to do here is hold down the power button and the volume up button, and that will go through and basically power down your iPad like this. Now, if that doesn't end up working or if that's still not working for you, you can also try manually basically restarting your iPad. And you can do this by basically going inside of your settings. So go inside of your settings application right here. Right inside of the general option, if you scroll all the way down, there's a little shutdown button right here. If you just want to shut down your iPad, you can just shut it down that way as well if for some reason your iPad power button's not working. You might also want to try updating your iPad. Sometimes updating your iPad can end up fixing this problem as well. So go back into your general settings right up here. You then want to go back into software update right over here, and you want to see if there's a software update available for your iPad. Chances are there might be a update available for you, and that could very well end up fixing this situation as well. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.